Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Royal Quiet Deluxe lid. This one is nice and pretty. Did my cleanup on it, came out real nice. But I've got one here that's not real nice. Look at that guy. In fact, I don't know if this will clean up. It wasn't in the case, so it's really, really, really dirty. Excuse me, let's try to make it look like this one. Do you think it's possible? Let's set this aside and just do my normal routine on this, which is simple green, really, but this is pretty serious dirt here. Let's just see what happens with this. And it's about as dirty of a lid as I have ever seen. But you never know what's underneath the dirt. Maybe the dirt protected the, ooh, look at it's coming off this thing. That's a good sign. The brush is probably filthy. Look at that. Okay. Let's do one more rinse here. Clean this mess up here. Let's start again. Let's wipe this off just briefly. And do it again. You know, it's looking pretty good, actually. Still pouring off dirt. Look at this big old block there. So I'm going to do this probably 3 times with the stiff brush. And see, you know, this just might work. Let's do this quickly one more time. So, let's repeat it. Let's see if we can get this thing. Again, see, when the soap starts becoming just soapy, it's done its job, and the dirt's gone. That's not bad. It's coming out pretty clean here. Let's wipe this off. There's a cleaner cloth here. Get something cleaner here. Clean this off. I never thought this would come around, but I think it has, actually. Cleaned up pretty good. Just with a little bit of air. Like that. And now we're going to do the oil treatment here. Just like that. We'll brush this in. Now, I didn't think this was going to clean up, so I have high hopes. The rest of the machine is not quite as bad. This lid was the worst, but I have high hopes now that the whole thing is going to come out pretty good. Wipe this off. I don't know, pretty nice. Put this, get this decal clean. Yeah, I'm impressed. Let's do a side-by-side, front to front. There's the dirty, dirty one. There's the clean one. And I think these are a match. Maybe this one on top is a little bit just a shade darker. Those are pretty close. Pretty close matchup here. Wow. I don't know. That's okay. Yeah, I think this one's got a little more texture to it. It looks like, but that's pretty good. Wow. Okay. Pretty cool that came around. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.